I'm starting with 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and I'm gonna heat this on medium heat until it's fully melted. At this point, I'm just stirring so it melts evenly and I can break up those pieces more easily. So once the butter has fully melted, this process will last roughly 10 to 13 minutes. We will be cooking this over medium heat, so you do want to keep an eye on it and stir it. Once the butter comes to a simmer, you do not want to walk away from this. You have to stir continuously and be very vigilant. And this happens at around minute 2. And you see this white foam form at the top. So these are the butter solids that will later on burn and give us that brown color. So these solids tend to stick to the walls, so I do recommend that you pay attention to that and try to clean up the walls as much as you can when you stir. And from minute 3 to minute 9, the foam will come and go, and at some point you can see that the butter will start changing in color and there will be a lot of foam, as you see here. And at around minute 9, minute 10, you will start seeing those brown bits at the bottom of the pan. And it's a bit tricky to see due to all the foam, but at this point I just take it off the heat and stir until the foam goes away or decreases a lot. But the solids will start appearing over the foam, as you see here. You can see some brown bits showing up, and that means it's done. So I immediately transfer the butter to cool in a jar or some form of container. You can also see how the butter changes color altogether. We started with 1 cup of butter and we end up with just about 1 cup of butter too. So there's no need to worry about converting butter to brown butter. And there you go. That's brown butter for you. You can let this set in the fridge, or you can use in liquid form as you would like, or as the recipe calls for. So I hope you like this tip, and see you next time.